Some football news now. Waterhouse FC and Arnett Gardens registered crucial wins in midweek action in the Wray and Nephew Jamaica Premier League, while Caribbean Cup champions Mount Pleasant FA dropped points.
With 5 more rounds to go before the completion of the preliminary stage of the competition, teams are fighting for crucial points at both ends of the table. Waterhouse started the day in 5th place and continued their push to secure a playoff berth with a 1-0 win over the struggling Tivoli Gardens. Tivoli remain in 10th place on 41 points. The Javier Einstein-coached Waterhouse got the all-important goal from their captain Kimani Campbell in the 30th minute. Coach Einstein says the focus is now on collecting maximum points from the remaining games while keeping the players fit heading into the playoffs.
Our objective is to keep recovering the injured players, don't get any injury player more, and on the table we are trying to win all the matches that we can, and I know that the players are doing an extra effort, playing 2 matches in every week, and 2 wins in every week is not easy, but I'm very happy with the effort of the players.
At the Drax Hall Sports Complex, it was a battle between teams experiencing differing fortunes. Mount Pleasant FA sits comfortably in 2nd place, while Harbourview are hovering just above the relegation zone in 11th place. It was Harbourview who took the lead in the 25th minute when captain and talisman Trayvon Reed fired home. It was the 20th goal of the season for the former Tivoli Gardens FC standout. However, Mount Pleasant found the equaliser in the 54th minute to ensure a share of the points. Raheem Edwards' shot was too hot to handle for the goalkeeper. Mount Pleasant are now on 61 points, 4 behind leaders Montego Bay United. Harbourview's point takes them to 33, just 3 ahead of Malines United and Treasure Beach FC in 12th and 13th place respectively. Head coach of Mount Pleasant, Theodore Whitmore, says while disappointed not to get all 3 points, the focus is on correcting the errors before the next game.
Point loss, I think it's a game where we could have gotten all 3 points. Football is about moments, and we didn't take our moments this afternoon, so again, nothing to be frustrated about. We move on, we look on the simple details and try to fix them and move on.
Coach of Harbourview, Lenny Hyde, hailed his team's defensive discipline, which helped to secure the important point.
We started out well, and they came at us. When they are playing Mount Pleasant at home, the spectators involved in the game. But I thought we kept our head, we kept our cool, and we defended well. We gave up a simple goal, but such is a game. A point is not bad when you're playing away, and see the situation that we are in now. We are glad for the point.
Meanwhile, leaders Montego Bay United were surprised 1-0 by Arnett Gardens at the Anthony Spaulding Sports Complex. A 5th-minute goal from Kevon Wilson was enough to secure the 3 points for the inconsistent Junglists. Bay remained on 65 points at the summit, while Arnett moved up to 7th on 46 points. Garfield Jones reporting for TVJ Sports.